Your journey in skilled trades starts at the Center for Skilled Trades and Technology.
The apprenticeship program mainly works with employment skills and employment training and in-class formal training between lectures, discussion with instructors, workshops, construction shop, and labs.
We teach courses in electrical theory. We teach courses in motors and transformers. We teach courses in reading blueprints. It goes on and on.
It's a really rewarding career because as you build something, you can see it happening, right? You go and you can build it, step back, take a look, like, wow, I did that, it looks great, and that's something that I can be proud of.
It's a rich learning environment. You have actual experience in the field about the subject being talked about, and it brings something to the classroom that you just can't get any other place. Apprenticeship is absolutely the best learning experience you can have. It's the most positive one. The career opportunities, how do you even express that? Wherever you see light, that's where work is.